Hi, good afternoon. I am Juan Mario Simplicio Vargas Bermejo. I am a nurse and a EMT. Uh, I was a victim of stroke last year, 2024, and talagang na-ICU po ako for 43 days and my trach for 6 months. Then I was out for work for almost 1 year and 2 months. Sobra po yung ipinayat ko and hopefully makabalik na trabaho na makakatulong na sa tao. Thankful for everything that was given to me by my mom, my wife, my kids, my family, my friends. Sa lahat po na sumuporta, thank you so much for everything that you have given. Salamat po, salamat po, salamat po.